Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin shortcuts to home screen on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, choose any shot here and hold on it like this and click shot settings, and here you will find pin shortcuts to home screen. Click on it and here click add, and that's it. It will be added easy and quick, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.